So we have this interesting question from geometry today. Here we are given a circle and a triangle inside the circle. 6.5 is the 6.5 centimeter is the radius of the circle. Correct. And we need to find the area of triangle ACE. So let's see how we can find the area. Please see, if the radius is 6.5, this will also be 6.5 centimeter. That means the total length will be 13 centimeter. Correct? And AE will be the diameter. AE will be the diameter. Correct? Now, if AE is the diameter, that means this triangle ACE is in the semicircle. Triangle is in the semicircle. And whenever the triangle is in a semicircle, triangle is a right triangle. So that means this angle will be 90 degree. The triangle is a right triangle. Okay, so let's write it down. Triangle ACE will be right triangle. I will repeat myself why it is a right triangle. Whenever a triangle is fitted inside a semicircle, yes, why this is a semicircle? Because AE is the diameter. Whenever a triangle is inside a semicircle, it is a right triangle. This is the property or rule, you can say. Now we have this diameter 13 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. As you can see, diameter is nothing but hypotenuse. Correct? And we very well know the Pythagorean triplet. So we very well know Pythagorean triplet. What is that triplet? That triplet is 5, 12 and 13. Yes, this is the Pythagorean triplet. So we have 13, we have 5. That means this CE will be 12 centimeter. CE will be 12 centimeter. Now if CE is 12 centimeter, what will be the area? Area is half times base. Base in this case you can take 5 or 12, anyone that you want, times height. Height again you can take 5 or 12, the other one. So area will be half times 5 times 12. If we simplify this, we will get area as 30 centimeter square. So this will be our final answer. Area of triangle ACE will be 30 centimeter square.